It's truly an honor to be invited to deliver the 18th Nelson Mandela Annual Lecture. Madiba was a moral giant of the 20th century, and his timeless legacy continues to guide us in the 21st. For me, he was also a profound personal inspiration for justice, dignity, and equality. This year's lecture takes place at a time when the world faces an unprecedented test as the COVID-19 pandemic threatens everyone, everywhere. The world must unite to protect lives and ease suffering. As always, at times of crisis, the vulnerable suffer first and worst. But we must also return to progress by recovering better. Even before the pandemic, inequality was a global plague. Today, this injustice is clear to all. Nelson Mandela devoted his life to fighting it. That is why I will devote my upcoming lecture to the theme, Tackling the Inequality Pandemic, a new social contract for a new era. I plan to look ahead to what we must do to address the world's fragilities and build a fair globalization.